Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. Our client assigned a new task. This is the assignment of financial accounting. The title of the assignment is Shelly Cashman Excel 2019 Module 3, End of Module Project 1. Our client provided us with some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. This assignment is divided into multiple steps. To complete this assignment, follow these steps. Step 1. Open and save. Open the Excel file, save it with a new name. Step 2. Name entry, ensure your name is in cell B6 of the documentation sheet. Step 3. Worksheet setup, rename orders to orders and inventory, adjust rows and columns as instructed. Step 4. Formatting. Apply formatting to cells. B7, K7. Adjust indent, paste and delete data as specified. Step 5. Goal seek, use goal. Seek to set C11 to 300 by changing C7.
Step 6. Sparklines. Insert line sparkline in H4. Adjust color and markers. Insert column sparkline in H15. Adjust high and low points. Step 7. Chart. Change J10, O23 to a pie chart titled Average Orders per Month. Add data labels. Step 8. Review and submit. Ensure your workbook matches the provided final figures, then save and submit. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309 655268 or log into our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.